Hello Cancer, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and this is your weekly prediction from 28th September to 4th October 2020. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. For personalized readings, you can always reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. Before I start the session, I'd like to give you a sound healing session. Please close your eyes, take a deep breath, hold your breath for 3 seconds and release it very slowly. Once we are done with this session, please open your eyes very slowly and be in alignment with the current energies. Cancer, now requesting you to close your eyes. So Cancer, looking into your weekly energies now, you've got the card of death and slowing down. So death here indicates that you could be transforming, you could be letting go of some toxic people, toxic situations, you could be coming out of something, and you just have to stay on the course wherever you are, and things will look good for you. There is some sort of an ending. There is some sort of an ending, and that will lead to a new beginning, but it looks very positive to me. Temporarily it might look very negative to you, but no, in the long run this is going to be positive for you. On the love front, you've got Queen of Cups and Courage. Queen of Cups here indicates that you might be in your element. Cancer, you are in your water energies. You might be feeling very grounded. You could be using a lot of intuition. Visualization will help you a great deal while when you are trying to manifest something on your love front. Be very intuitive. You will be very intuitive, and you'll be receiving messages from the universe. You'll be well grounded. You will be so here you have very good intentions towards your partner. Also, your partner has extremely good intentions, unconditional love and energies towards you, but right now they may seem a little too busy for you. However, the intention is not the problem, the time is. So you might just want to give a little more time to this relationship. On the work front, you've got Knight of Cups and the Miser. Knight of Cups and the Miser here indicate that you could be getting a creative opportunity. You might want to pursue your passion as a profession. However, you might be scared of the resources that you will require to put into this, and you may or may not want to invest your savings into this venture. There is a decision that you need to take about how you feel in this situation and act accordingly. This week overall, I don't see you making any major decisions, and I think everything is going to be very slow and passive on the work front. On the love front, we've got Two of Swords and laziness. So Two of Swords and laziness here indicate so this could indicate that you could have some issues with your feet. There could be swollen feet. There could be hidden diseases with your liver. You could be having very high blood pressure and sugar levels, and because you're not living in the right manner, you're probably just living off like a hippie, waking up at your own time, sleeping, not sleeping, consuming foods that may or may not be good for your health, and overall your lifestyle is not very conducive of of your health, and your health could be suffering big time because of this. And if you do not take care of this right now, you're going to face a major transformation when it comes to your health. So please be very, very careful. Please get a routine, get yourself checked, and probably get a full body test done. Looking at the advices that we have for you: playfulness to recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. Butterfly transformation, get ready for a big breakthrough. If you continue to do what you are doing, because you're on the right path, and always remember, slow and steady will win the race. Forgiveness, if there has been something on your mind you are not too sure what to do about, forgive, ask, or give. The crystal of the week for you is moonstone and citrine. These are the stones that will help you align your body, your mind, body, soul, and together, and will be able to give you the much needed energies that are required for your body. So Cancer, this was your weekly energy, weekly predictions. If they resonate with you, please write to me in the comment section below. The comment section below is the only way I come to know if my readings are in alignment with your energy. So please, please, please do make sure you write to me how the reading goes for you. And until I do the next reading, share Ruhani Guidance, subscribe to Ruhani Guidance, like, share, comment, and stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.